Hey guys, it's Rachel from Lake City Exports. Let's take a look at a few new vehicles that just came in. First we have this 2010 Kia Forte EX. It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine and gets great gas mileage. It has a two-tone black and brown cloth interior. Next we have a 2007 Chevy Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive. It features a 5.3 liter V8 engine with black leather interior and third row seating. And lastly we have this rare 2006 Volkswagen Beetle TDI. It's a 1.9 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine with great gas mileage, getting you 31 in the city and 40 on the highway, with black leather interior and a sunroof. For more information on these vehicles or any of the vehicles we have, give us a call at 207-753-0033 or visit us online at lakecityexports.com.